Hi everybody. Today I want to talk to you about logging your physical activity. But first we have to go over how much physical activity you should be getting every day. So we sent you a link to the Canadian Physical Activity Guidelines, and on that link they have the guidelines for the different age ranges. So most of you are 5 to 11 years old, and you can see that for that age range you should be getting 60 minutes of moderate to vigorous physical activity every day. So what does that mean? That means 1 hour of physical activity where you're working pretty hard, where your heart rate is pumping, your heart rate is elevated, maybe you're huffing and puffing a little bit, you're sweating. So a lot of you come to us in the gym and you say, oh, I'm sweating. That's a good thing. That means you're working hard. That's moderate to vigorous physical activity. So 1 hour every single day. So how can you keep track to see if you're getting in 1 hour every single day? You can use an activity log. So here I have a very simple activity log that you can use. You can write down what month it is, and then you can choose how you're going to log it. I know that Madame Geneviève also made an activity log that you can choose. You can choose this one, that one. You can make your own, however you want to do it. So in this log, I drew a picture here because some of you are not quite writing, so you can draw a picture of the activity you did and you can put a check mark if you got in your 60 minutes. You can also write down different amounts of minutes that you're doing in different activities and then have your total at the bottom. And another way that you can keep track of your physical activity is by writing the number of steps you're doing every day. So some of you have a step counter on your smartwatch, you have a pedometer, so that's another way that you can log your activity. The really cool thing about logging your physical activity is that, one, you can see if you're meeting your guidelines of 1 hour every single day, and the second big benefit is that you can track your progress over time. You can see if you're getting better at something. So one example of that, when I was early into high school, I started logging my activity, and I would write down the different times that I ran different intervals in and workouts. And then I would look back through the pages and I would be able to see if I ran faster than the last time that I ran that distance. So that's one way that you can do this to track over time. But track it however you like. Draw pictures, step counting, writing the minutes, however you want. But find a way to log it and send us what you come up with. We would love to see it. Take care.